There's one thing that should never stop, and that one thing is learning. Because learning is something that changes you over a period of time. That's what we believe here at Advanced Agility. Hi, this is Gaurav. I'm co-founder and lead trainer from Advanced Agility. I'm so excited here to share with you this awesome day where we have completed 1 year of Advanced Agility. So our baby has done 1 today, and I'm very excited to share this message with you all. Advanced Agility is not just another training company out there. We started this company 1 year back with an idea of providing quality learning platform alongside with practical experiences, real life experiences shared by our trainers to our participants.
Advanced Agility. Advanced Agility was started 1 year back, and Gaurav, Ashish and myself, Amog, wanted to do something big. We wanted to help the organization to adopt Agile in a much better way. And I'm pleased to say that we have been successful in delivering more than 1,000 safe trainings and Agile adaptation trainings in last 1 year. And we are striving to deliver more. We also started consulting various organizations in value stream mapping, Agile product development, and various other small workshops like writing effective user stories and see how we can deliver value to the customers.
Created this company with an idea of understanding the need of people who are coming and trying to learn new things, because it's not just about selling a training, it's about understanding what do you need to reach out to the next level. And that's why we are happy to go slightly away from the course curriculum as well, if required, to serve your need. And I'm proud here, standing in my living room, sharing this message with you that we have done it successfully from last 1 year, and we'll keep on doing it in next few months and year. This is going to get bigger and bigger from here.
The Advanced Agility family has grown to around 7 people teams now. We have Ayush, Ayushi, Rashmi, Sanya, Anu, Alisha, Nishtha, and 3 of our partners, Gaurav, Ashish, Jyoti, Nivi, Shelly, managing the entire gig very well. We are known for our speed, the speed at which we respond to our customers, and the entire family is helping us to achieve that, which is leading to customer satisfaction, and that's what we strive for.
All of our participants who have made this a success, who have given this opportunity to us to allow us to share a bit about Agile, whatever we know. Trainers who have worked in different time zones, in odd times, with small groups, big groups, in different settings, facing all the technical challenges they have. Thanks to everyone involved, including our staff, including our amazing team who work tirelessly day in, day out to ensure a great experience for our participant, for our customers, for our trainers, for our suppliers, everyone involved. Thank you from my heart, and I'm sure this journey will continue from here and it will get more and more excited. So happy birthday Advanced Agility from my side, and congratulations to everyone involved, and thank you to everyone who has supported us.